Hey guys, welcome back to Beautyroom for another video. It's your girl Alicia and welcome back for another day of Vlogmas, Christmas with Beautyroom Fitness. And today I'm going to show you my closet office tour. It's my closet, but I also turned it into an office, and I just want to give you a tour of my room and show you everything now that I've got my Christmas tree up and all my decor up. So let's get into the video, shall we? So I'm going to walk over here because we're going to start at the front. So like when you walk in, this is what you see. I created this little coffee bar area. This is like new. And I have like a little mini fridge, and I have a pink Keurig, so I can grab coffee right there. And then I have my island, and then on the island I always keep pink flowers. And then I've got my bottle brush trees out for Christmas, and I just love cute little simple decor. I have my little pink one that I got at Target. I have my grandma candle, which is in memory of my grandmother. And then I have this cute little chocolate angel ornament. Well, she's like a bell. And then I've got a cute little white reindeer. And then inside my Target gumball machine, I just threw in some ornaments because I thought that was like festive and cute. So that's all I have like in my center island. And then over here, I just have like my dresser that I had since I was a kid. And I just have some cute little Disney stuff on there because I have like a Disney theme going on in my office. And then I have like all my YouTube ideas. I just kind of threw that on that board over there. And then when you come over here, it's my desk. I also use it for getting ready with my makeup. And I also turned it into an office this year. So I've got it more of an office setup. And I've got my tablet or computer. I've got a computer there, and I have my little makeup light, ring light. I've got my makeup brushes and some pins. And I have like a little cute little Disney mouse pad that I grabbed, which I really like. I grabbed it off Amazon. And I just have a cute little mouse that I grabbed from Target. And that's it. I have my cart here. Usually I have my cart where my Christmas tree is. I just kind of moved it over here, and it basically just holds like my planners and tablets, stickers, that kind of stuff. And then here's my beautiful Christmas tree that I put out this year. I have my Christmas tree up, and it looks really pretty in here. I love that it's lit up with multicolors, and it kind of looks like, it's more like pink, like you can see more pink than anything. I just think that's perfect because my office is pink and white. I have a couple presents under the tree, which are gifts this year for my family. And then when you come over here, I have a little bench, that I keep my pillows on. I have like some Christmas pillows, my Christmas Mickey, and a little peppermint pillow I grabbed from Walmart this year. I have two little glitter Christmas trees pillows that I got last year. You can check out last year's Vlogmas if you want to see where I got those from. And then on my Christmas tree, I have like all Disney ornaments. I just bought this one from the Disney outlet store, and then we grabbed this one at the Disney parks, and this one was from the Disney parks. And then I have the carousel, which we love. The kids love the carousel. And then we have some dwarves from Snow White. We've got Winnie the Pooh. We have Simba over here. So just like a bunch of like really cute Disney themed ornaments. Got Sebastian, you got Dory hanging out. And you got Tigger down here. So just a bunch of cute little Christmassy, theme type ornaments on my tree. And then over here I keep like all my sweaters and stuff like that, and sometimes you see those in my try on hauls. This is my purse closet. This is where I keep all my purses in the glass cases to keep them clean and keep them clean from dust. I keep all my boots and stuff up here. I just hung a cute little Hello Kitty stocking there. I think it looks really cute. All my Christmas sweaters are here. That's why you see that pile. And I just leave them out so I can wear them because, all this month. And then over here I have Princess Tiana. I think she's very Christmassy in her green dress. And then I have a little frog, because she's Princess and the Frog. So she's got her little frog man there next to her. And then you can see like I do have a couple like Disney backpacks and stuff in there in my purse closet. And then over here I have like all my shoes. It's like my shoe closet. Like I have all my shoes there. And then I have a couple Disney popcorn buckets that I got from the parks. I keep those on my mannequin. And then over here I have like my bust from when I was pregnant with my boys. And then I've got Mickey and Minnie. I got this when I got married. That was our souvenir, because when we got married, we went to Disney for our anniversary. Hence the Disney closet. Yeah, for our anniversary and for our honeymoon, we went to Disney. We stayed in Kissimmee. And so we went ahead and grabbed those Mickey and Minnie's. That was our honeymoon present to ourselves. And then I have all my cute little like stuffies, all my Tsum Tsums and all my Wishables and stuff like that. I keep them in here. I just think they look cute, and it just makes me look like a pop of Disney. I love it. Then over here I've got my Mrs. Potts and Chip, and you know, I just keep those over there with some drinks on hand. And that's it. So that concludes my closet tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy these Christmas content and Christmas videos that I have, guys. And so if you want to keep seeing more videos and content, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more future videos, because all this month I'm giving you consistent, frequent Christmas content. And if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and subscribe down below so you can get notified of all the videos that I'm posting this month. And if you love hauls and you love try-on hauls and you love fitness, then you're going to love my channel, so you might as well just subscribe and join the family. So I hope you found your inner glow through watching this video, and I'll see you in the future. Bye!